Tips, Morgan with WTI.
These flameless candles from pensar are so gorgeous. I love having these in my home. They are just so pretty, and the flicker is really realistic and beautiful. You can put it anywhere in your house and you do not have to worry because it is flameless. They're battery operated and they just look so good everywhere. I got this set of 7 pieces in different sizes, and I love that you can control them with the remote. It has so many different settings, so they turn on and off easily. They also have this setting called light, where it just is a bright light, and then if you put it on candle, then it has that realistic flicker to it, which is so beautiful. It's just so nice. I love putting these on my bookshelf, which is not where you could normally put candles, but these make it possible to have that beautiful lighting anywhere that you want it. I even love putting it in candle holders, and it just gives that realistic flicker that I love. They are so pretty and so useful to have. I love setting them on a timer as well and just letting them go.
I love these candles, and that's my point of view.